like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm ShennaLagail and I'm just going to do a very fast video. This is going to be another shower routine on how to stay fresh all day. A very simple shower routine. Basically, I'm going to be just showing you the products that I'll be using. You use these products, it's guaranteed to make you fresh all day long. I'm finna get ready to start my day, and yeah, I'm finna take this shower, wake myself up, use some of my favorite products, and I hope you all enjoy.
Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Day and night, I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but see I don't attain. What I need for keeps this silly game we play. Now look at this, madness the magnet keeps attracting me to me. I try to run, but see I'm not that fast. I think I'm first, but surely finish last. It's day and night, the lonely stoner seems to free her mind at night. She's all alone throughout the day and night. The lonely loner seems to free her mind at night. At night, day and night. The lonely stoner seems to free her mind at night. She's all alone, some things will never change. The lonely loner seems to free her mind at night. At night. Day and night. Day and night. The lonely stoner seems to free her mind. Only finish last. It's day and night. The lonely stoner seems to free her mind at night. She's all alone throughout the day and night. The lonely loner seems to free her mind at night. At night, day and night. The lonely stoner seems to free her mind at night. She's all alone.